You think you're leading your industry, but you're actually just a data point in a technofeudalist loop. These platforms have commodified your professional relationships, turning your social intelligence into an extractive algorithm. It is time to reclaim your sovereignty by deploying the SSQ framework to dismantle these digital architectures. Stop being a byproduct of centralized incentives and start reclaiming your human agency today. In 2026, technofeudalist platforms use predictive modeling to automate professional networking and dictate career trajectories. There is an invisible tax on relational intelligence where human connection is reduced to data points for platform growth. Professional burnout is often a symptom of algorithmic misalignment, the psychological toll of digital subservience. Transition from passive consumption to active strategy by introducing the sovereignty, synthesis, and quality methodology. Define sovereignty as the reclamation of data ownership and the refusal to let engagement metrics define worth. Synthesis allows leaders to combine disparate human insights that AI architectures are programmed to ignore. We move beyond the framework to identify and break the dopamine-fueled cycles that prioritize visibility over value. Implement circuit breakers in digital workflows to prevent social engineering from influencing critical decisions. Shift from high-frequency noise to high-impact strategic interventions that command genuine authority. Leverage your mental space to construct localized trust networks that exist independently of corporate surveillance. Utilize decentralized protocols to foster peer-to-peer knowledge exchange, bypassing gatekeeper algorithms. Focus on creating resilient pods of collaboration where human agency and judgment are the primary currencies. Consolidate these efforts into a long-term strategy for maintaining influence in an increasingly automated economy. Establish a personal protocol for vetting new technologies based on their support for human-centric intelligence. Empower the next generation to view success as a metric of autonomy rather than a byproduct of platform incentives. Reclaim your professional sovereignty. Dismantle the architectures. Lead with social intelligence. By 2026, the divide between the automated and the autonomous will be the primary marker of leadership. Peer-to-peer cognitive structures aren't just a preference, they are a defensive necessity against extraction. The first step is the audit, identifying where your relational value is being leaked into the machine. We must cultivate neural resonance through synchronous, human-centric exchanges that algorithms cannot replicate. Strategic silence on centralized platforms becomes a loud statement of sovereign authority. Relational resilience is built in the spaces where the algorithm has no reach and no data. The structural pivot ensures leadership remains an exercise in human agency. It is time to act. You are no longer a data point. You are the architect of your own professional ecosystem. Reclaim your agency. Join the movement to rebuild social intelligence. Mastering EEQ, AIQ, and SSQ starts now. Thank you for being part of the future of human-centric leadership. Sovereignty is your signature.